Welcome to Q&A Wire.
In this problem, it is given that the graph of f is given. State with reasons the number at which f is not differentiable. So for the first curve, we can see here the f is not, that is function f is not differentiable at x is equals to minus 4 and 0. You can write here x is equals to, you can say here minus 4, 0. Right. Why? Because open point is seen here at x is equals to 0. Can you see here? Yes. So this shows that this is an undefined point, right? So when the graph breaks, then it is not differentiable at all, right? And there becomes a discontinuity, or graph has discontinuity, right? All right. So now we can say at x is equals to minus 4, a sharp turn is present, right? So for the sharp turn, we cannot differentiate the function, right? So now for the second part, second graph, we can see here f is not differentiable at x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to minus 2. I'm sorry, x is equals to minus 10, minus 1 and x is equals to 2. So similarly from here we can see this was minus 4, right? This was 0. Similarly here we can see a sharp turn, right? At x is equals to 2. So this is not differentiable, right? So this is the reason for the x is equals to 2. It is not differentiable. Again, at x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus 1 here, the graph is breaking. You can see here like this is not a point, right? Here, like you can, in first graph you can see this is a point filled with, and this is not a point, this is a break of the point, right? So we cannot say this is also breaking, this is also breaking, right? This is also breaking. So we cannot say this is a point. So that's why this is not differentiable, right? Now moving ahead, we can see now for the third graph. So f is not differentiable at x is equals to minus 1. So I'm sorry, x is equals to 1. So this is not differentiable. Again, this is a sharp turn. This is a sharp turn. So this is not differentiable. All right. And also the graph breaks. uh, and we can say this graph is also spreaded over minus infinity to infinity. We cannot define the points here, so that's why this is not differentiable, right? Now for the fourth and the last part, we can see here it will be, this is the graph. Okay, so f is not differentiable at x is equals to minus 2, 1 and 3. So minus 2, 1 and 3. So wherever a sharp turn is seen, so that is not differentiable. So we can see in minus 2, minus 2 and minus 3, minus 2 and 3, x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to 3, we can see here the sharp turn. So that's why this is not differentiable. And here if we zoom this graph, we can see here like this, that this is open point and this is also open point, right? This is open, this is open, this is open. So the points are open here, right? So we can say this that graph breaks, which represents the undefined value. So if the value is not defined, right? So if any of the graph is breaking, or you can say if the value is not defined, or you can say this is spread it over minus infinity to infinity, you cannot define the function. So this is how we solve this problem. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you for watching.